Assalamualaikum. Okay, today we'll be looking at how we're going to draw the direction of electric field at certain point around a charge. Okay, as we know, all charges, positive and negative, has its own electric field around. So if let's say we have negative charge, so the direction of the electric field is inward towards the point charge. Now let's say we have a point P here. So the question asks us to draw the direction of electric field at point P. Okay, so if you look at this figure, this point P is overlapping, or the position of point P is at this line of electric field. So to answer the question, okay, we have to make sure that it seems like the line is coming from point P. So we need to cancel the lines that is regarded as not related. So now this is our answer. So this is the direction of electric field at point P. So if let's say this is charge number 1 for your case, so we better symbolize this line as E1. Okay, remember we have to always put the symbol of E1, put the symbol of anything of the electric field, because if let's say let's say we have a few charges, so we can have a few lines of electric field. Thank you.